Now that you know how to list items on eBay, we can walk through how to manage eBay through SureDone by setting up rules by which SureDone will handle all of your eBay listings. These settings allow you to pre-choose default settings to apply to all of your listings. With default settings in place, you can list more efficiently to eBay by only populating the required fields that change from listing to listing and letting SureDone default the other information. All of these defaults can be overridden at the item level if you provide a different value on the listing, giving you maximum listing flexibility. To choose your eBay default settings, click on the gear from the header navigation bar and then choose Channels. Expand the eBay channel that you are interested in. First, make sure that the radio button for eBay Sync is turned on, i.e. blue, to allow SureDone to pass information back and forth with eBay. Please see our linking video if you need to know how to authorize your eBay channel. You will also want to turn on the item level button so you can edit the pre-populated default settings as you are creating each new eBay listing. The import and import specifics are used primarily during the onboarding process and should not be used unless specifically instructed to do so by SureDone. Now you can select the default eBay store that you want to list to and how long the typical listing should last. Keep in mind that GTC stands for Good Till Canceled and will leave the listing live until it sells. You then need to choose whether you want to default to fixed price or auction listings and provide a PayPal account to use. Next, you'll need to answer some basic questions about your returns policies. Then turn the auto pay switch on if you require your buyers to pay immediately upon purchase. Turn on Use Variation Images in default if you want all the images attached to the parent listing to be displayed first. When you enable eBay pre-filled item info, SureDone will submit the product's UPC to eBay's product details catalog to automatically try and load item specifics and product details. We recommend that you pull in the business policy profiles you set up in eBay into SureDone to quickly assign the rules of how to handle your listings policies. Simply click on Refresh to import them. You will need to do this anytime you make changes to those policies on eBay. If you are authorized by eBay, you can turn on our strike-through pricing, and you can turn on the best offer feature if you use it. You can also turn on the listings relist option to automatically relist anything that doesn't sell. If you take credit card payments directly from buyers, turn on the payment gateway. Then supply your buyer further instructions on how to pay by entering the information into the text box. You can inflate or deflate all of your prices on eBay by setting a default price difference rate. The min-max stock features are useful for controlling what information is sent to your channels. For using min and maximum stocks, you'll need to add a field to hold those values. Those are custom fields, and you'll find information on how to add custom fields in our training guides. Now it's time to select the currency you prefer to sell in and enter the tax category from your eBay account if you need to. If you like to allow your buyers to make charitable donations, please add your charity ID and suggested donation percentage for checkout. SureDone can also handle all of your default shipping preferences, such as your ship from location, global shipping, and get it fast. If you only want to sync orders from eBay after they've been paid for, turn on the ordered paid sync. Please leave import SKUs strict on unless instructed to do so by SureDone. By turning on Enable Relist ID, you can link your relisted products to their previous listings to maintain your search histories. For AutoPart default settings, please see the training guides on ePIDs and fitments or speak to your sales engineer. If you want particular fields to display on eBay as item specifics, you can select which fields here or add custom fields if you prefer. Keep in mind most item-specific fields will import with your entire eBay inventory during the onboarding process and will create custom fields automatically. If you need to use the UPC field to map to a particular field that isn't the UPC, please select that field from the drop-down menu. If you use condition notes, please select the field where you want them to display. We recommend that you use the notes field. You can also import your eBay store category tree into SureDone so that you can select it from the drop-down menu during listing by turning on the Import Categories. By turning on convert categories, SureDone will also turn them into categories for your SureDone storefront. Finally, you can customize the look for your eBay listings by uploading an eBay template, turn on thumbnail image displays, and create custom descriptions. Please see our training guide on custom descriptions for more information. That's really all there is to it. Now that you've selected all your default settings, you can list products to eBay in less time. Always make sure before leaving the channel settings that you click on the Save Settings button to save all of your changes.